let's look at the few applications of GAN. So the first application of the GAN is generated through a GAN network called a cycle GAN. So in this particular case, I'm just playing a video here. So on the left, as you can see, we are feeding this cycle GAN a video stream of a horse which is running on the field, and on the right it's showing me the output of same horse, but it has edited the every frame in the video to generate the zebra instead of a horse, right? And as you can see, it looks pretty realistic zebra. Everything else it has kept same, only thing it has generated a zebra from the horse, right? So pretty amazing, right? This is done by the deep neural network without any manual intervention. Here is another application, and this is where the GAN has generated synthetic images of people. Like, these are not real people. These people do not exist in this world. Okay, so the GAN has trained its network from the few celebrity images, but they have just taken few features from the each image, and this generated a completely new image of a person, which could be a man or it could be a woman, but these people do not exist. So as you can see, these photos look very realistic, right? So where do we use this? So many times when you are creating an advertising campaign, or where let's say you have an image of a model, or let's say image of a crowd in the model, and you need real people, you can replace their faces with these synthetic faces, and that way you don't have to first of all, you anonymize, right, the people in the image, so that you don't you respect their privacy, right? And second use case is, if you are a startup and you don't really have money to pay to celebrities, you can use these images in your poster or a flyer or a campaign without worrying about paying royalty to the celebrities. The third use case is the image to image translation, where the input to the GAN is like a sketch of the image. Like in this particular case, on the left you see a sketch of a purse, and the GAN then generates a realistic photo of that from that particular sketch. So as you can see, it has generated a very good realistic image of a purse, as well as a college or a school bag on the right. So this is image to image translation. And another application is, given a text, can GAN generate the image, right? So this is the case where the DALL-E, which is the text to image generation network, being used to generate an image from a text. So here, for example, the text is, the small bird has a red head with feathers that fade from a red to gray from head to tail. Just this text has been given as an input to the GAN, and the GAN is able to generate a very realistic photos of the bird, which has the same description as specified in that sentence. The second example, you can see the bird is black with the green and has a very short beak. So in this particular case, the GAN network has generated the image of a bird which is black with the green, black and green shade, and is a really small beak, right? So this way also GAN is also used for generating from text to image.